Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 1. I hope you are fine and safe at your homes. I am your teacher Ms. Suba and I am going to teach you mathematics. Our today's task is to page number 35 of school workbook. This homework is for both group A and B. ये जो homework है ये दोनों groups करेंगे, group A भी और group B भी. Group B will do this work on Wednesday 16 June 2021. जो ग्रुप बी है वो इस होमवर्क को वेंसडे को करेंगे 16 जून 2021 और जो ग्रुप ए है वो इस होमवर्क को 17 जून 2021 डेट पे करेंगे एंड द डे इज़ थर्सडे. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. ग्रुप ए ने इस वर्क को थर्सडे को करना है और ग्रुप बी ने इस वर्क को वेंसडे को करना है और पेज नंबर है हमारा स्कूल वर्कबुक का पेज नंबर 35. Okay, so all of you please take out your school workbook. You have to open page number 35. You have to ready your page. You have to write down the date and day on the top of the page according to your groups. आपका जो भी ग्रुप है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपने डेट और डे मेंशन करनी है और आपने ऊपर होमवर्क मेंशन करना है बिकॉज इट इज़ योर होमवर्क पेज. Okay, now read the caption with me. Put in the number which comes before or after. Put in the number which comes before or after. आपने ऐसे नंबर्स राइट करने हैं जो कि इन नंबर से पहले और बाद में आते हैं. You can see here are 3 columns: before, between and after. कुछ नंबर से पहले वाले नंबर लिखने हैं, कुछ नंबर के दरमियान वाले नंबर लिखने हैं और कुछ नंबर्स के बाद में आने वाले नंबर्स आपने लिखने हैं. इट्स अ क्वाइट सिंपल वर्ड. आपने असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर किया हुआ है. आप इजीली इस पेज को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, लेट्स डू विथ मी. लुक एट द फर्स्ट column. What comes before? Here you can see the number is written 29. 29 से पहले हमारे पास क्या आता है 28. So you have to write 28 here. Now look at the second column. What comes between 33 and 35? 33 और 35 के between क्या आता है 34. We all know that 33 के बाद 34 आता है तो हम यहाँ पे 34 राइट करेंगे. Now look at the last column. What comes after? 17 के बाद क्या आता है 17 के बाद आता है हमारे पास नंबर 18. So you have to write 18 in the blank. So you have to fill your page like this. Let's revise with me. What comes before 29? It's 28. What comes before 18? It is 19. What comes before 36? It is 35. What comes before 7? It is 6. What comes before 25? It is 24. What comes before 31? It is 30. What comes before 1? It is 0. And what comes before 23? It is 22. In next column you have to write what comes between. What comes between 30 and 35? It is 34. What comes between 5 and 7? It is 6. What comes between 21 and 23? It is 22. What comes between 12 and 14? It is 13. What comes between 19 and 21? It is 20. What comes between 37 and 39? It is 38. What comes between 7 and 9? It is 8. What comes between 26 and 28? It is 27. In third column you have to write what comes after. In numbers के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है. Read the number. What comes after 17? 18. What comes after 30? It is 31. What comes after 9? It is 10. What comes after 25? It is 26. What comes after 11? It is 12. What comes after 39? It is 40. What comes after 3? It is 4. What comes after 29? It is 30. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand that how you have to do this page. Now look down, before, between and after. This ball is before the number, this ball is between the numbers, and this ball is after the number. Before is something that comes before, earlier, and after is something that comes later. Okay, my dear students, here are few things to remember. You have to do your work neatly and carefully, and you don't need to forget to mention date and day on the top of the page. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.